Good morning, boys and girls. Today is day one in our sort number 126. And these are our homophones. We're going to do two-syllable homophones. That means two syllables means you can snap it out and it sounds like there's two parts. And homophones means that they sound the same, but they're spelled totally different. So this time we're not going to have columns with the different words. We're going to have groupings of homophones. So there is no header this time at all. So we're going to still start making our words, and we're going to fold our paper in half. And then we're going to fold our paper in half again. And then we're going to fold our paper up. Remember to make your folds nice and tight so you can really see them later on. And we're going to fold it in half again. And again, make your folds nice and tight. They're starting to get harder to fold down. And fold it up one more time. This is our last fold, and we know that because there's 4 little lines on our little square. And remember, the last one, we can really beat it down a little bit. All right, then I need you to open up your paper. And when you open up your paper, you see the fold lines. And I need you to go ahead and trace those with your pencil or your pen or your marker, whatever you have. Pause your video here. So now that we've traced our fold lines, we are going to go ahead and write our words. Remember, no headers this time. I'm going to leave these top ones open because this is usually our headers with no lines. And I'm going to start writing where there is lines to write neat. And remember, for our sort cards, we're going to write over 2 lines to make it nice and big. So my first grouping of homophones is pedal. And that is the pedal that you have on your bicycle when you pedal along. Then I have a pedal, and this one is the one on the flower. And then I have pedal, and that's when I try to sell something from place to place. My next grouping is manor. Manor, as in the big old house. And my next one is manor. And that is how well we behave. Then I have Mary. And that is when we have a husband and a wife. Then I have Merry, as in being happy, and Merry Christmas. And then I have Mary, the girl name. Next, I have Boulder. And this is when you are bold. You are bolder than the other people. It means you're kind of gutsy. And then I have boulder, as in a big giant rock. My next grouping is seller and seller. And these two, a lot of you confuse. The first one with the S is the person that sells something. See how I have sell? And seller is a person. That makes it a noun. And then I have seller, and this is the basement. See how this is a C-E-L-L-A-R? This is the basement. If the word sell is hidden in it, then that's the person selling something. Next, I have flower and flower. Flower, as in the pretty flower that we like, that bees like. And then I have flour, as in the white stuff that we bake with. Then we have idle and idle. The first one is what you like to do on the computer, sit there idle. That means you're not doing anything. The second one is idol, as in someone I admire. A lot of you have stars that are your idol. You would like to be like them. Then I have morning and morning. You know, we have the good morning that we say everything every day, and that's early in the day. And then we have morning, and this morning is with an OU, and it means someone died and we're really sad. And then we have berry. Our last two are berry and bury. So this berry is the sweet fruit we like to eat. And bury with the U is when someone died and we put them underground. All right, I need you to go ahead and cut those words out. Try to sort them and write them in your notebook. Let's see how you're going to group them. See you next time. Post it on Class Dojo.